Hi, my name is Monica Browning. I'm an associate with Arcadia, based in Hong Kong. Throughout my 20-year career in international HR and leadership, I've had the privilege of attending and speaking at various events and conferences, addressing audiences from diverse industries and backgrounds. These experiences have reinforced my belief in the power of keynote speaking and the importance of diverse voices, particularly those of women. I've not always been a confident speaker, but today I'm passionate about keynote speaking because I have witnessed firsthand its ability to inspire, educate, and ignite change. Keynote speakers have the unique opportunity to shape narratives, challenge perspectives, and motivate others to take action. As we recognize Women's History Month and International Women's Day in March, it is crucial that we recognize the invaluable contributions of female leaders in keynote speaking. When women share their stories, insights, and expertise, they bring a fresh and distinct perspective to the table. They can offer unique solutions to complex problems and inspire others with their resilience and their determination. By amplifying female leadership voices in keynote speaking, we create a more inclusive and equitable society. We empower the next generation of women to embrace their potential and break through barriers. We challenge the status quo and reshape outdated narratives. Most importantly, we pave the way for a future where everyone's voice is heard and valued. It's our job to ensure that we support, uplift, and celebrate each other, recognizing that when we empower women, we empower society as a whole.